Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The pace at which DRDO has been testing its weapon and missile is remarkable, and if this momentum continues, India will soon be prepared to take on any threat at multiple fronts. Besides, it will develop huge ecosystem of defense in the country, thereby generating employment, nurturing skills, and saving the foreign exchange reserve spent heavily on the import of weapons. Today, we are going to discuss about SAW, Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon. It is a stand-off weapon capable of destroying enemy airfield assets such as radars, bunker, taxi trucks, runways, aircraft hangars, and other reinforced structures. This missile has undergone 10 tests in last 5 years, and we have seen two recent tests in October and November. Today is another remarkable day as Defense Minister has officially handed over the SAW missile to Indian Air Force. Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon has been designed and developed by Research Center Imarat (RCI) in coordination with DRDO laboratories and extensive support from Indian Air Force. It has a length of 1.85 meters and weighs close to 125 kgs. The bomb has an impressive accuracy with circular error probability less than 7 meters. The SAW is a long-range, precision-guided anti-airfield weapon designed to be capable of engaging ground targets with high precision out to a range of 100 kilometers. It uses IN-GPS and Gagan for navigation. For those who are not aware of Gagan, it is GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation jointly developed by ISRO and AAI to provide the best possible navigational services over Indian FIR Flight Information Region with capability of expanding to neighboring FIRs. The bomb uses PCB or FCB warhead with programmable impact delay fuse with a range close to 100 kilometers and release height of 12.8 kilometers. It is pretty impressive standoff bomb. The SAW missile has many variants with different capabilities intended to be used in different types of mission. The EO-SAW or electro-optical, which is an electro-optical version of SAW, is more advanced and uses IIR seeker for terminal homing and has a circular error probability less than 3 meters. The bomb is similar to Rafael's Spice 250 bombs. The weapon will have day and night all-weather capabilities with auto target acquisition algorithm. It will be utilizing unique digital scene matching area correlator technology to overcome GPS jamming. DRDO is also working on another advanced version of SAW which uses dual seeker, IIR seeker along with MMW millimeter wave seeker technology. This dual seeker variant of SAW will also have artificial intelligent capabilities for tracking and assigning itself both static and moving target. Last but not the least, the standoff weapon can also initiate self-aware evasive maneuvers if needed.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.